Howdy ho, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. Welcome. I'm Tall Mike. We got December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. What's going on today? Well, let's take a look. Okay, so we have 803,000 new jobless claims. The market's up 200 points on that. Good news. Is that really good news? I don't know. They say that it's improving. 803,000 new jobless claims is an improvement. I agree it's an improvement over last week, but we have big problems here in the U.S., and that's why we're going to talk about the miners today. I think the miners is where you want to be going into 2021. The U.S. is going to continue to print money. They're going to continue to have stimulus packages, QE packages. Miners are where you want to be just to protect yourself. Now, I like gold and silver. You all know that. And those will protect yourself. The miners give you a little more leverage on the gold and silver markets. Today, I'm going to give you my favorite stock that's selling for about $1. It's my favorite dollar gold stock. All right, let's take a look at silver here. Here's a chart of the SLV, and the SLV, it had a nice bounce from 22 up to 24, and we had that pullback yesterday. It was a little surprising to me, a little pullback, but that's all good. Nothing goes straight up, but I do think we're going to be in an upward trend. I do think 2021, you want to own the silver, you want to have the physical. The SLV is okay as a trading vehicle. Both are going higher. You're going to make money in both, in my opinion. Once again, only my opinion, not financial advice. Let's take a look at gold. What's gold doing? All right. So gold is basically it's just hugging this 50-day moving average. Okay. The GLD, which is the paper gold they call it. Anyways, it's trading around 175. The actual physical gold's about 1860. Gold is going much higher in 2021. We're going to see at least, I'd say, $2,500 gold, maybe even $3,000 gold in 2021. Now, that sounds, good, but it's really bad. It's bad because people just don't understand what's happening to the economy. The economy is imploding. They're going to print money. The more money they print, the faster the economy implodes. Meaning you print more money, you get more poverty. Now, why is that? Why is that? Why do you get more poverty when you print more money? Well, because you devalue the money. The money goes down. It buys less. Let's say you gave everybody $1 million tomorrow. What happens to the price of things? Price of things would explode higher. And this is basically the concept they got. Okay, so people get a check for this $600. They go spend that check on Amazon. It goes into Jeff Bezos' pocket. The billionaires make the money, right? So that $600 is gone, but the purchasing power never comes back to what it was before. Protect yourself with gold. Protect yourself with silver. Now, also, I say protect yourself with the miners. This is a chart of the GDXJ, the gold and silver miners. It's the juniors. You can play the GDX, or I like the GDXJ. Once again, it's hugging its 50-day. It went from $50, shot up to $55. 10% move in like a week. Boom, 10%. That's really good. Okay, well, it pulled back now. It's a little opportunity here. I like it right here, right now. I'm buying call options on this, and I'm dated out. I'm dated out as far as June of next year. I'm going out to June of next year. Call options. I think it's great. It's trading around 53. Get a $55 strike price if you can. That's what I got. I mean, once again, not a recommendation. Just what I'm doing. I just think this is opportunity here. Opportunity in the miners. Okay, here it is. Here's my favorite dollar gold stock. Now, why is this my favorite dollar gold stock? It's kind of a selfish reason. Anyways, the reason it's my favorite is I bought it for 40 cents and it went up to $1.80. Okay, that's a 4 or 5 times return on my investment. Now, that's as good as trading, an option. This really is an option. I mean, don't buy options on this. It's at $1. But I'd pick some up here. Look at, here's what I like about it. The 200-day is moving upward. It was $180. I wish $1.80. Is that $1.80? It's on sale right now for $1.27. It's on sale. Get some LGDTF. I think the 200-day moving average is going to hold. I don't think there's a lot of downside here. I think that, look at the 200 days creeping up, and I think we're going to get above this 50 days soon, and we're going to pull that higher. That's just what I'm doing. The LGDTF, my favorite $1 gold stock, $1.27. Today you can get it for that. It's on sale. Pick some of this up. I am. Here's another one of my favorites. Okay, this is the DRD gold, it's called. All right, this was down here below $1. Okay, so this shows you what $1 gold stock can do. This was down below $1, and it ran all the way up to $18. Now this is a weekly chart, so this was back here in June of 2019, and by this August it was at $18. $1, $18. 18 times your money. So dollar gold stocks, people laugh at me when I buy a dollar gold stock. What's a dollar stock going to do? Well, this shows you what it's going to do. It can go from $1 to 18. Now it pulled all the way down here to $10, which is at its moving day, and that's a great buy again. It's going to go higher than 18 this time. This is what's called a bull flag. All right, so it has this run up, and now this downward drift into the 50-day is the bull flag. It's going to explode off of this. It's going to get past 18. Once again, not financial advice. I'm a stock market gambler. This is what I'm doing. I like it here. It's at $11, but 10 would be better, but I like it. But this shows you what $1 gold stock can do. It can run a lot higher. Okay, here's another one of my favorites. I jump in now. This is what great trading stock for me. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. See these swings, boom, 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 boom. All right, so right now it's above the 50-day. It gets down around $32. I buy call options. And these call options, that's going to explode higher. I think this is a $50 stock. I think this will hit $50 in 2021 is my guess. I actually could go higher than that. But it's at, get it around $32, get some call options. I like call options on a $32 stock. Sure, buy them out there, buy them out till June. Give it some time to play out. Give it some time, but this, in my opinion, is going to be a $50 stock. It's just going to run up. And I think this 50-day moving average is going to hold. We'll see. We'll see what it does. These are the ones that I like. And here's the gold miners bullish percentage. Now, if you go back to my last video, I was telling you, I follow this. Why did I follow this? Okay, so in August, it was up at 100%. Okay. Every gold miner was bullish. Everyone. 100% of them. There was not much room to go higher. This was actually a good place to short the miners, to sell them off, to bet them to go down. They don't go straight up or straight down. I'm a trader. I jump in these things. I jump out of these things. And if you fall in love with them and just stay in them, you're gonna see the big moves, up, down, up, down. But just the last video of the mining stocks, I was telling you, it's down here at 35%. That's too low. We've already bumped up to 48%. But 48% gives you a lot of room for upside potential. There's still plenty of room for the upside. I like the miners here. I think it's where you want to be. I think 2021 is going to be a great year for them. And I'm telling Mike, if you like this information, give me that thumbs up. Come on, punch that like button. It's the Christmas season. Punch it. We'll talk again real soon. Get out there, do some trading. I'm Tall Mike.